Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the hard drive from an HP ProBook 4720S laptop computer. Now these are a pain in the butt. There isn't a way to remove the back here, so you need to go in through the front. That means you have to lift this up and somehow finagle the keyboard off, so it's really kind of a process. You can see they have these little tabs here that are all kind of hooked, but this thing you got to go along very carefully and remove, like I said, the entire keyboard almost. Then you got to do it on this side. There's those little levers. Looks like it's been coming off, but now you hit a stalemate because this portion of the keyboard does not come off very easily, and I'm afraid that if I pull more, something may break. So, okay, right here it looks like there's a peg there that we can try to get off. Yep. That's really all we need. We just need to get it lifted up because the hard drive and everything should be right under this area. So there's a little screw here that needs to come out. Set that one to the side. And then there's a little screw over here that needs to come out as well. Alright, so with those two screws out, with my handy little screwdriver, which I will put a link to in the description below, looks like this, all the little attachments. We can now remove this section here. There is another little screw right here in the middle, but this one appears to be missing. Kind of got myself there. So now with this, it's just a matter of getting it off without breaking anything as well. So we might need to switch my bit here and start kind of prying it up, because we do have the screws removed. Okay. There we go. And now it should slide. So let's slide that sucker over, and there we are. So right here is where the hard drive would be. Looks like this one has been removed. That is okay, because now you know how to access this panel. Removal of the hard drive is simple. You pull the little black lever. Looks like there are a couple screws, one here, and then you would pull it this direction to remove the hard drive. So that is it. That's how to remove the hard drive, how to get to it. Now how to put it all back together. That is the tricky part. So we're going to lay this back on here, get it all to click in, slide it over. That looks solid. Then take our two screws, try to get these little suckers back in. Yikes. All right. There's one. There's two. Well, a little carried away. All right, now the tricky part is getting this keyboard all back together, but it can be done and it will be done. So we're going to kind of bend it in the middle here to get that bow. If we can keep that, then that'll get us right back in place. There we go, just like that. Then we'll do it again here on the end. Okay, so the keyboard's back, snap it in. Then we got this top thing, bend that down, snap it all in, and there we go. That is back together again. Humpty Dumpty is success. There we go. So that is it. That is how to remove the hard drive from an HP ProBook 4720 laptop computer.